guys who missed me. You're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, where we serve you hot gist in the entertainment industry and around our country, Nigeria. I know you guys know that so many things are happening, and from BBNaija, the Pepper Them Gang episode, Jackye calls Omashola useless for not achieving 5% of what she has achieved after the reality show. Guys, this is a hot beef for former housemates Omashola and Jackye Madu are beefing each other. It all started when Omashola took to social media to advise his followers to sometimes take a time out and relax. He wrote, "Sometimes spoil yourself, no be every time you go dey work like Jackye." This didn't sit down well with Jackye, who fired back with full vim. She wrote, "To be the greatest, you have to keep working, innovating, and creating valuable solutions, not wasting your time bawling. You end up as a 40-year-old man with no wealth. P.S. You haven't made since you left BBNaija 5% of profit I have made this February on a project." Guys. But looking at what Omashola said here, we all know that, yes, Jackye can be like, okay, a person they work like Jackye. But I don't know why Jackye now took it like she was the one he was referring to. Who knows? Maybe they must have had some hidden beef or in the house going on that we didn't know, which resulted to this clapback. So, guys, let me know what you think. Do you think Jackye is just overreacting or probably not, minding her business, or just overthinking? Guys, let me know what you think, I beg. And don't forget to subscribe, hit on the bell button to get a notification when a new story drop, and subscribe to our channel to get more stories every time they drop. Thank you guys, and stay tuned.